Wait. You forgot to invest in the best Amazon course on earth. You're probably doing a bunch of research, you're probably checking out a bunch of different programs. No program has as many success stories as the Amazon FBA Ninja family does. We have over 5,000 people that come through our program, right? And you had the decision to sign up, to watch the webinar. Maybe you saw some of it, maybe you didn't. Maybe you haven't decided whether or not it's for you, right? Maybe you still think that it's a scam. Maybe you think that all of this stuff is fake. But let me tell you something that you can't fake. You can't fake an 8-figure award from ClickFunnels. They verify all of that. You can't fake the largest Amazon FBA group in the world. You can't fake a YouTube channel with over 400,000 subscribers. If I was a scam, don't you think that some of those people would have figured it out by now, right? This is real, and we have students that are doing this every single day. And all of our biggest success stories literally started with a single choice to take that leap of faith. And it's not even that big of a leap of faith because we offer a 14-day money-back guarantee. So there's zero risk, there's